This is Joe Vaclavik from the CME Group. The live cattle market was under pressure here on Tuesday and has had kind of a generally weaker tone this week. You know, to start off, the futures market's been under pressure. I think there are some funds that have been aggressively long this cattle market for a very long time, and they may start to see some change, or may be starting to see some changes here to the fundamental landscape, to things in the cash market, and maybe they just want to head for the exits. I think that's a little bit of what's going on in the futures market. Second to that, the boxed beef market has been under a lot of pressure here. These are the wholesale cuts, and the prices have fallen sharply here during the last 3 or 4 trading days after really what had been a pretty big rally prior to that. So I think that's the other factor here that could be pressuring this cattle complex and the live cattle futures in particular. The seasonal tendencies in this cattle market are a little bit negative as we go into the summer. So that's something that I think could kind of go back to that first point of fund liquidation. You know, there may be some speculators who simply want out of these long positions ahead of what could be kind of a bearish seasonal time frame. Moving forward here, we've got plenty of cash cattle to trade later this week. You know, we've got the Fed cattle exchange, which will be here in the next couple of days, and then we'll see what happens in the cash cattle market at the auctions and see if it supports this futures price. We've still got a big positive basis despite the fact that the live cattle on the cash side have come down in price. Still a big positive basis there, which really doesn't need to change now, but may need to change soon as we get closer to April deliveries. Again, Joe Vaclavik from CME Group here in Chicago.